Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to send self-destructing photo and a video on Telegram. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and type Telegram first. It is very important and essential to bring to your attention that you need, to even brought it up that you need to upgrade or update your Telegram app to the latest version, so you won't have any bug issues or something like that. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the Telegram, and as you can see right here, this is like the interface of the Telegram. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click this chat for example, right? And what I'm gonna do, if I wanted to send a photo, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the attachment icon at the below left corner, and you're gonna be able to see, like, let's say for example, photo, right? Let's say this one, right? Now if you want to edit it, crop it, whatever, just go ahead and do it on your own time. In my case, you're gonna be able to see right here like a one next to the caption. Click on it, basically choose how long the media will be kept after opening. You can schedule it for 10 seconds, right? Or 3 seconds, or view once, right? Like an Instagram photo, right? And afterwards, just send it to that person. And after that person receives that photo, if he saw it once, he will no longer see the photo again, right? Depending on your schedule. So let's have an example. I want to send this video, right? Same goes. Click on the one kind of a thing right here for the media, and then select how long should that person see that video or media. Now turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.